In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet you can use for reporting, sharing with teammates, or doing deeper analysis in your favorite spreadsheet tool. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then press Enter. From the results, click the official ClickUp website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your workspace so you can access your tasks. Once you're in, you're ready to move on. Next, locate and open the specific task you want to export. This gets you to the exact work item you care about, so the export reflects what you're looking at. Keep in mind that exports in ClickUp are generated from the current view, so the information you see on screen, things like columns, custom fields, and filters, will influence what ends up in the file. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings menu for the page or view. Depending on your layout, this may appear as 3 dots or a gear icon. This menu holds actions that control how your data is handled, including the option to export. From that menu, choose Export View. ClickUp will prepare a data package based on the current context, so it's a good moment to quickly confirm you're in the right place and seeing the fields that matter to you. When the format choices appear, select Excel. This will generate an .xlsx file, which opens natively in Microsoft Excel and also works well in tools like Google Sheets or Numbers. Choosing Excel helps preserve column structure and data types more reliably than plain text formats. Now, click Download. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location, or it may ask you where to save it. Once the download completes, open the file to review the exported data. You should see the task details aligned with the columns from your view. A few quick tips to make the most of your export. The file mirrors what you're viewing, so visible columns and active filters matter. If your workspace uses custom fields, those will appear as columns when they're visible in the view. Very large exports can take a moment to generate, so give it a little time if you're working with a lot of information. And remember that attachments and comments typically don't export into the spreadsheet itself. This process focuses on task fields and metadata. That's it. You've successfully exported your ClickUp tasks to Excel, giving you a flexible, shareable snapshot of your work.